Okay, so now I've added the Chinese 1.8 mount. Again, as we can see, it'll rotate on the rubber quite freely, up and down. The jag mount wouldn't rotate. And we have the side to side movement, which is more accentuated on this. Yeah, quite weak. That amount is. Rubber's very soft on it. So, as I said before,